Today I will share a strategy with you and discuss its full use in front of you. That is its introduction and use everything. So what I will share today is the market continuation pattern. Continuation means that the market will continue in the same trend. So the best way to know this is the flag pattern. With this flag pattern you can easily understand that the market will be in its trend. Flag pattern is a very popular strategy that allows you to trade easily and you can trade to the trend. It's better to trade in favor of the trend in forex, and that's why the trend is your friend. So when you see the bullish flag pattern in the uptrend market, you will understand that the market will go further up, and again when you see the bearish flag pattern in the downtrend market, you will understand that the market will go much further down. So now the question is, what is the flag pattern or how to recognize it? No worries, today we will discuss this in details and explain everything. Also, before we uploaded the video with this flag pattern, we talked about it. So those who have not seen it must watch this video so that you can easily understand today's video. You can watch the video on the screen, and those who want to learn this kind of strategy or pattern must follow this playlist. Here you will find all types of strategies related to forex, and I will request the well-wisher of ForexBD, please subscribe. ForexBD is another new channel. Here you will find awesome videos for you, and those who don't subscribe our ForexBD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. Flag pattern is a pattern through which the market signals to continue its trend. In other words, if the market is in uptrend, then it will go further upward, or if the market is in downtrend, then it will go further down if you see a flag pattern in between. So you can definitely see its type on the screen. Moreover, I have shown you through the video before. I hope you remember, or those who have not seen it must see it. So I am explaining to you what this pattern is like. At the beginning we discussed the bullish flag pattern. So this pattern is that the market will be uptrend first. That is, it will go higher by making higher high and higher low, just like that. You will see the market fluctuate for a while. One thing you will notice is that when the market goes up and down for a while, the market will be a bit downtrend. That is, if you look at the whole chart, you will see that the market is uptrend, but when the market corrects for a while, it will be a downtrend. So after a while the market will go straight up again. So this is the bullish flag pattern, and we will draw two trend line at the place where the market made correction. The first one is here. Here we will draw a trend line at the first point and the last point, and we will draw our second trend line. So our job will be to buy when the market break the top trend line. So this is the bullish flag pattern, and now I will show you how to recognize the bearish flag pattern. So you will find it in the downtrend market, and it will give you signal to the market to go further down. That means the market will follow its trend. So this pattern is that the market will first go down through lower high and lower low, then you will see something going in the market. That is, it will go up once, then go down, and go up once and go down, and the market will continue for a while. Then the market will come down straight again. So now we will draw two trend lines. First we will draw one at the top, one with first point and one with the last point. Then we will draw another trend line in the bottom with 2 points. Now we will wait to break out. That means when the market break out this trend line, we will make sell order. In other words, you will take sell entry just when the bottom of the trend line that we have given will break out. That means we will be favor of market. So I hope you understand today's pattern. So we are now showing an entry from the market. Here we have come to the market. You can see the position of the market. So the market is completely downtrend now, and the market is moving in this place. So at such a moment you have to understand that the flag pattern has been created here. So we will draw two trend line just like before. So we give a trend line above and then a trend line below. You can see how we did it. We will set the trend line with 2 points on both sides in both places. So when it breaks out in the market, you will take the entry. That is, you will take the sell entry. So now you can see that our trend line break out very strongly in the market. Since the market is in a downtrend and has broken broken out the lower trend line according to the bearish flag pattern, so you can take sell entry from here. And you can see that the market has came down very easily. So we said that the market will be in a downtrend according to the bearish flag pattern, and by creating this pattern it will came down again. Now we will go another place. You can see the chart, so I can see some flag pattern in this place. I don't know if you can catch them. In this place you can see the market going up and down for a while with correction like this. So if we set the trend line here, you can easily understand. So I draw two trend line in two places, one above and one below. So now you can see very easily that the market has made a very good profit by making a flag pattern here. And of course you have to understand the trend line setting system very well. We will draw with the first point and the last point. You can see the market has broken my trend line and go up. Then here you can see that the market has created another flag pattern in the same way, and we will set the trend line in this place. Now you can see that the market has made a good profit according to the flag pattern from here. So you can make a good profit from here without any worries. Moreover, on top of this, I have seen another flag pattern here. I will set the trend line just like before. So I set two trend line, and you can see the market has raised even higher from here. So these are not so difficult thing. Maybe you feel a lot difficult now, but when you practice and experience in forex, you can catch them with the naked eye. Then you don't have to think so much. So the main thing is that the trend in the market will continue, and that is called the continuation pattern. So I hope you understand, but if you have any problem, please let us know by comment, and we will solve your problem as soon as possible. Of course, I will urge you to practice it well first, because without practice you will not be able to catch this pattern. Maybe it will pass in front of your eyes. You will not understand, or you will not be able to analyze properly, which may cause of your loss. So make loss in demo and make profit in real trading. Of course, trade with this word in mind, because your profit and loss depend on them. Always try to trade in your own ways. If there is any problem in this video, you must watch it carefully and make a comment.
For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ASEAN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is Light Forex, a right broker in forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by ForexBD's link, you will get benefit. ForexBD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your Skrill and Nettler account by ForexBD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by ForexBD's link. Those who want forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English. You will get all link in video description.
So viewers, I hope you can understand our today's video. Hopefully you will be able to analyze like this. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please give us a like and share it with your friend, because it motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.